What's the name of your business?
Azure Printed Homes.
What is the problem that you're solving?
The housing shortage, the climate change problem.
What is your business in one sentence?
3D printing homes with recycled materials in factory.
What is your specific solution to the problem?
Making homes more affordable, faster to produce, and better for the environment.
How do you come up with the idea for the business?
Looking at what was out there at the moment and effectively reverse engineering it.
And how much will you do in revenue this year?
Between 4.5, 5 million.
What is the best moment you've had building the business?
The Royal Institute of British Architects reached out and wanted to cover us. Having left London, moved to LA, found out that something I'd created has made its way back to my hometown, so that was kind of cool.
What's the scrappiest story you have building the business?
The fact that we've built over 15 million in pre-orders with almost zero marketing.
Why should an investor trust you with their money?
Because we're transparent, we've got grit, and we never give up.
Go to the link in my bio if you want to actually invest in this business.